Hello. Ano isa? Hello, kung na may question. Basing ganahan mo magpa-tarot reading. Libre ni siya nga free card reading. Kung nakadungog mo sa ako, hello, ako si Co-Star. This is my second channel para lang sa mga Bisaya. Uh, ang akong main channel is Co-Star. Tapos English to siya nga pagka-deliver sa akong tarot. So karon nagbuhat kog another channel para sa pagbisaya lang. So now my questions type in kung unsay questions ninyo so that maka-start ko sa itong tarot reading. Ha? Libre ni siya nga pagkuan sa inyo, pag-read. Kung mahilig mo og tarot, basin pwede mo type sa inyong question. And let's see. Okay, magpaabot ako kung kinsa gusto mag Hello. Kung namoy mga question, palihog lang ko og type sa inyong question para makasugot na sa tarot. Libre lang ni siya nga pag-read. It's a 3-card reading. Maghatag lang ko 3 cards. Mag-read ko. Magkuha tag 3 cards din. Hello. Hello, Jean. Ano sa question ni mo, Jean? Madungog ka ni mo? Hello. Nari ka sa abroad. Palihog og message, Jean, kung madungog ko ni mo. Okay. Sige, Jean. Unsa may imong question? I'll draw the 3 cards. Or I'll draw 3 cards for you. Okay, Jean nga naa sa abroad. Sige, sure, Jean. Paki-direct imong energy sa ako para makuha na to ang energy nimo. Paki-concentrate lang. And sige, i-type lang imong pangutana, Jean. Okay? Palihog ko concentrate. Tapos type dayon sa imong pangutana para makuha na ko imong energies. Okay. Magrinispetuhay lang ta dinhi sa channel nako. Kung unsay inyong mabasa, madungog, leave it here. Kung mahuman atong live streaming, ayaw lang ninyo isulti sa uban, ha? Okay. Sige. So it's a yes or no reading, Jean, for you. Okay. Yeah. I think this is ready. Ready na akong cards. Mag-ingon lang mo pag dili mo makasabot og English, ha? Kaya usahay mag-English ra ba ko? Okay, Jean. Let's start. Let's flip the cards. First card, the Chariot. Mura manig. Mauli gyud ka, Jean, because this is the Chariot. Okay? Okay. Mauli ka. Tungod ani. This is the Chariot. Kuan ni siya. It's a ride. So it's a ride. Mura og mauli ka. Pero this is not your first card. I will draw some more cards for you. Ang katumagong Chariot, Jean, ang Chariot is ang kabalo man kaon sa Chariot katong kung naa sa Bible kana man na siyang usa ka tawo nga maayo mo dala sa chariot. Okay? Ang charioteer. Ang charioteer is mautong somebody who is an expert, somebody who is a professional. Dili na siya somebody nga estudyante pa, novice. Ikaw ni siya. Ana. So, naa kay padungan ani, siguro padung kag uli. Alright, but let's draw your three cards. The three cards. My cards are ready. Jean, paki-direct lang ang energies. Paki-concentrate sa akong cards para makuha na ko imong energy. King of Cups. Mura kag na King of Cups. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. This is a stuck energy. Jean, stuck energy ni siya. Staying in one foot, dili makalihok. Pero in reverse man ni siya, so naay possibility nga naa ni siya movement or action. Okay? I think hapit na 2 weeks from now or di lang pod siguro 2 months from now. Kay ako magod sa akong main channel, Polestar, it's a tarot reading sa English. Okay? Karon kay Bisaya man ni siya nga channel. Present condition gid ko. Okay? So naa ni siya yung movement kay na reverse man siya. Pero daghana sa card ng gawas. Pero Jean, mura og lahi ang pamati nimo nga nung dili ka makalihok or no movement ni siya. So it's either imo gid ni siyang mura kag giluom gid nimo siya nganong dili ka makalihok or nganong dili ka wala kay options karon. So you have a lot of cards, daghan kay kag cards ng pop up. Okay, kadin saan. Hangman. Ang hangman, Jean, kung kani, naging ani, stuck energy gihapon ni siya, wala kay mahimo, nagtanaw lang ka sa sitwasyon. Pero nabali man ni siya, pasabot, klaro na kaayo sa imo. Kung nakay butang nga na-confused ka sa una, kung nakay butang nga wala matubag sa una, karon na ana ni siya tubag. Sa imo ni siyang kaugalingon, ang imong diha sa imong kaugalingon, diha nimo siya kadit sa ha. Oh, mamo kanhara. O lagi. Sa imo nagagikan ang tubag ani Jean, okay? Dili ni siya sa ubang tao. Sa imo ni siya ang clarity. Right? Reunion with your family, layo pa, dili pa karon. Okay? Reunion sa imong family, kung unsa imong gusto makabot nga happiness, dili pa karon. Okay? Layo-layo pa ni siya kay naka-reverse. Although ganahan na gyud ka nga makakita sa imong siguro naay anak or somebody nga partner ani. Pero kung dili man ni siya partner nimo, pamilya lang ni siya, G. Nga naman ni, stab in the back man ka. Naa ni siya betrayal sa imong life. Nagagikan ka og betrayal, nagagikan ka og hurt, naka-experience ka og hurtful feelings, naka-experience ka og tuwaw-tuwaw, hilak-hilak, pero kani, this means na-reverse man ni siya, Jean, sakit gid to kaayo, pero naano ni siya ending. So, this is an ending of a cycle. Alright? Siguro, maabot ang panahon nga dili na ka maghilak ani. Karon ra ni siya. Jean, I'm so sorry, but kung mangayo kag tabang sa ubang tao, murag wala pa'y makatabang sa imuha. Okay? Wala pa ni siya makatabang karon. So, base nangita ka og somebody nga makatabang nimo, pero wala kay nakit-an siguro nga somebody nga nakatabang nimo pa. Pero I hope nga naa ni siya somebody, okay? Nga mutabang nimo. Ayan. Um, last card ni mo, Jean. Stay strong. Kay ang universe, nani siya'y mahitabo sa imong palibot nga kinahanglan mahitabo whether it's a good thing or it's a bad thing para matuman ang imong gusto. Okay? Gubot ni siya, Jean. Gubot yun kaayo. Pero kinahanglan ni siya mahitabo para pod matuman ang imong gusto nga matuman. Okay? Kung pananglit gubot sa imong paglukat sa ticket, gubot paglukat sa imong passport or paghikay, gubot gyud na siya. Or gubot pag uli sa imong balay kay wala ka kabaloon sa mahitabo. Mao na siya ang way sa universe nga gubuton gyud ang imong palibot para lang gyud nga mahatagan kag way nga masulbad ang imong sitwasyon. So it's for you to be strong. Okay? So kung unsa may nahitabo sa imo karon, there is a reason for that. Alright? Now this all of the cards are pointing to yes. Alright, Jean? Natubag pa na ako imong pangutana? Okay, so that is what I have for you, Jean. Anna, so don't forget to like this video streaming, or if you want to subscribe, pala kog subscribe kay daghan pa ka og free live readings. I hope nakatabang ni siya sa imo, ha, Jean. Paki-confirm lang, ha. Ana, okay. Kinsay sunod? Sa karon nga oras, tulo lang akong makater kay mukaon pa ko, pero I'll be back later, ha. Naaraman tas Pilipinas tanan, so magkita-kita lang taon niya. So kinsay sunod ba ani? Si Geta? Geta, unsay question nimo, Geta? Will Aquarius come towards me for a commitment? Okay. Geta, nakadinhi? Napaka? Bye-bye, Jean. Ayo-ayo, Jean. I'll be here later pa. So magkita lang taon niya, Jean, kung napaka yung mga questions. Si Geta. Hi, Geta. Paki-message ko kung naa pa ka dinhi. Kung wala, adto ta sa ikatulo kung kinsa man galing ang betrayal man gud, Jean, katong someone nga ang katong betrayal, Jean, kay siguro na is someone nga gipalaom ka pero wala gali siya motuman sa sabot, ana gani. So you feel like you are being stabbed in the back, ana mao to ang betrayal. Si Geta, yeah. Hi, Geta. Yeah, I got your question. So okay, let's see if this particular Aquarius wants commitment from you. But first, let me prepare my cards, all right? So kindly wait for a while. Geta. Bisaya ka, Geta? Are you, yeah, I get that. Okay. Give me some time to shuffle my cards, Geta, before I go to your question. Yeah. Bye, Jean. Take care. How are you today, Geta? I hope you're doing well. This is still a lovely January for all of us. So 2021. Yeah, I'll take my time because I don't want to hurry. Dili ko ganahan nga magdali-dali basta sa reading kay energies maning nako og sa cards. Kinahanglan siya synchronized. So it has to be synchronized. I want myself and the cards to be ready. Right? Kumusta mang mutanan? Wala pa tay kaon ron, no? Alas City. Mga tatas balik ako. Unya, mga 9 siguro. Okay, it's ready now, Geta. King of Cups. Possible. This is really your card, Geta. Yes, I think he will. Why is it that there is justice here? Something has happened between the two of you. Okay, here is the justice in reverse. Oh, ma, kadali na gajud. Hapit na. I'm also a Gemini, Geta. There is a King of Cups here. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Geta, there is supposedly love here. But the two of you needs to talk it out because I think something has been said here that needs to be justified because the justice is here. Okay, I think this is probably because of the situation. Okay, something has happened between the two of you that needs to be clarified. And temperance, yes, the same thing. All right. Now, I don't know with this energy. Something in here. If this is the other person, this person is, hesitant. He has love for you, or yeah, he has love for you, but he is still hesitating to reach out to you. Okay. I think, Geta, if you want commitment, you still have to talk it out with this person, and this person is not coming to you. You have to go to this person and initiate, right? Because this he is in the Four of Cups mood. Yeah, he fears of commitment. Look, he is being showed of a commitment, love. This is love, but he's not. He's not minding it. Get there. These are the cups, full cups, opportunities for commitment, but he's not taking it. Something is being said here. I think maybe the situation or an offensive, event that has happened. Right? The answer here is no, but there is love. Don't worry. There is love here, but even if there's love, if the situation isn't permitting the two of you, then what can we do? So you need to talk it out with him. Okay? Yeah, he knows what you want in a relationship and he's not sure if he wants it too. Okay? You want it for the relationship, but I don't know with him. He's still, um, trying to decide the options. But this is also for you to check if this relationship is needed for the both of you. Okay? I hope I have answered your question, Geta. If you want to know more, you can email me at thegiftedtarot@gmail.com. It's a free reading for you if you want to know more, right? So this is a no. Let me clarify. Let me clarify one more time. Uh, no, something tells me. See, there is a reunion here, Geta. Don't worry, but it has it. You must initiate this one for this, coming together. This will happen for you if you believe, if you want it to happen. Okay. I think you know what I think you know what to do. All right. Now, yeah, I see there are 4 viewers right now. Naiopat, he always popped in and out. Sige, magud siya pop in and out, Keta. dili tungod kay ganahan ka sa commitment pero ganahan ka nga maplastar mong duha. Murag ka na ang imong priority pa karon. Alright? Ganahan you want okay. Sorry, I have spoken in Bisaya. Um, he he is always occurring in your mind, not because you have feelings, not because you automatically want commitment, but you want things to be clarified or you want things to be properly sorted out, and after that, then is the commitment. I think that's what you want. All right. Um, yeah, I'll see you. I hope that helps. Okay. So balik ra ko kay kinahanglan ko mukaon. You're welcome. You're welcome. Gata. Okay, mukaon ako. I'll see you later. Balik ra ko mga around 9. Okay. Bye everyone.